Alright guys, so now welcome again to Magic is Life. So now today I'll show you a very great card trick, and this is a beginner card trick only. So it has a very great effect at the end, and it is a very great magic trick. Okay, so now I'll show you. Okay, so you can see that I have an ordinary deck of cards. So I'll just shuffle the cards like this. Okay, give it the cut, one more cut. Okay, so now what happens, now I'll tell you this trick in a type of a story. Okay, so once there was a magician and a gambler. Okay, so now gambler says to the magician that I bet you that by doing the cut 2 times, 1 2, okay, 2 times, you can now get the car every time the 4 of kinds. Okay, he means that if you cut 2 times, 1 2. Okay, so now if you cut the 2 times and when you take the top card, that card you will not get another 3 times, that is the 4 of kinds. Okay, so now a magician accepts the challenge and then he does it. So he goes as the gambler said. He cuts the card 2 times, 1 2. Okay, so now he look at the first card. Okay, look at the first card. So it is the Queen of Spades. He took the first card and put it here, and he'll just and he'll again cut it and again cut it 2 times, 1 2. Okay, so he again sees that the card. Okay, so now it was again the Queen of Diamonds. The gambler got angry and magician got happy. Okay, so now magician again cut it 2 times. Now he again look at the top card. Okay, so now it is again the Queen of Clubs. So now the gambler, this time the gambler get very frustrated and magician was very happy. Okay, so now he at last he again do it like this, 1 2, and the second time. So now he was very happy and he again look at his final card. Oh, but now it was the Ace of Hearts. The gambler got very happy and the magician was very unhappy. Okay, so now what the magician says that actually he has win the bet. Okay, the gambler says that every time when he cut the card and the card he got at the top, that will not get him the another 3 times, that is the 4 of kinds. But he said that now I have got the 4 of kinds only. This is the Ace of Hearts. So now all these are the aces only. So he got the 4 aces and now he wins the bet. The 4 aces. Alright guys, so now it's time for the tutorial. Now stay for the tutorial. See, welcome back to the tutorial. So now I'll show you that how this trick is done. First of all, for this trick you need setup. Okay, so now you want the 4 queens and the 4 aces. You just want these 8 cards and you can do the trick. So now what is the setup for this? You'll take the Queen of Hearts and then the Ace of Hearts. So this is the first pair. Then you will take the Queen of Diamonds, then the Ace of Diamonds. This is the second pair. Then you take the Queen of Spades, then you take the Queen of Spades and then the Ace of Spades. Third pair, and then you will take the Queen of Clubs and the Ace of Clubs, the fourth pair. So now we have the 4 pairs. So every time it is necessary that you have to put the queen at the top, and you want the same cards like Queen of Hearts and Ace of Hearts, Queen of Diamonds and Ace of Diamonds, and rest. So now we are ready for the trick. Then you will take these 4 by these 8 cards and put it at the top of the deck. Okay, you can put these cards at the top of the deck. You can see them: Ace of Clubs, Queen of Clubs. So this is the order. So now you are ready for the trick. So you can go to the spectator and you can shuffle the cards, and remember, you have to put these cards, control them at the top. Okay, you can just do the false cut also. You can do the various type of false cuts to maintain these cards at the top of the deck. Okay, so now you will tell them this that story, and so what you'll do is you will just take the half of the pile like this. Okay, take them, and when you will put the second pile like this, and you just hold the pinky finger like this, and there's a break. You hold the cards like this. These are your cards. Okay, so now when you cut the cards like this, you will quickly take your pinky finger and put the rest of the deck at the top of your pinky. Okay, so now what you will do, first you will take the half of the cards from above the pinky, and then you will take the rest of the cards from the pinky break and put the rest of the pile. So now by doing this, the order we haven't disturbed the top 8 cards. Okay, so then you will do the double lift. You will do the double lift and you will show to them. Okay, now so it is the Queen of Clubs. So now the next 3 cards will be the rest queens. Okay, so now you say to them, okay, now put the queen here, but actually it is the Ace of Clubs, but the spectator think that it is the Queen of Clubs. You take it. So now this is the next thing. You will again cut the cards like this. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to take this Queen of Clubs and put it in the middle of the deck anywhere. So how you will do is you will just take the half of the deck, and when you put the rest of the pile by your this thumb, you holding the pile like this, and by your this thumb you will just slide that card a little bit, and as soon as you can see this, the Queen of Clubs have come out. Okay, I'll again tell you. You have to take the queen and you have to put it in the middle of the deck. You will just cut the half of the deck like this, and when you put the rest of the pile, you will just slide it, the first card, with your thumb, and you will quickly take it and put it above your pinky finger. So by doing like this, now the Queen of Clubs has come above your pinky. So now you will again cut the cards 2 times. So now the next 2 cards are the Queen of Spades and the Ace of Spades. You will again do the or again do the double lift. So to them, okay, now it is the Queen of Spades. Put it here, which is actually the Ace of Spades. Okay, again you will do it like that. Cut the half of the deck, and when you are putting this pile, you will just slide the first card by your thumb and quickly take it and put it above your pinky, and again you will cut it 2 times. And so now the next 2 cards are the Queen of Diamonds and the Ace of Diamonds. You will again do the pinky. You will again do the double lift. Okay, you will show to them and put it here, which is actually the Ace of Diamonds. So now it is the last time. You will again do it like this. Slide this card and again cut it 2 times. Okay, so now this time you will not do the double lift, because if you do the double lift, this will be the queen. The spectator again see the queen of hearts, but you have to show them the ace card. So now you will not do the double lift. You will just you will just normally take the first card and you show to them, okay, now this is the queen. But they see that it is the ace of hearts, so they think that your trick isn't successful. So but you can, at the end you can say to them, okay, you said that I have to take the 4 of kinds, and now the rest of the card also change to the ace. Alright guys, so before showing this trick to the spectator, you just need a little practice, and then you can do this trick, because this is a very simple card trick. Okay, alright guys, I know that you have liked this trick. Keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.